Hey Larry, what's going on with the BMW?
This BMW is beautiful 645, not a 650, 645. It has check engine light. This was running rough at a rough idle, misfire. It also had a map cooling system here. So you can see, easy by looking at it, that plug was misfiring and that plug's running just by discoloration. So it's getting a set of plugs. This one's fouled. We don't know the age of these things or when they were replaced last. The cause is the coils. So we swapped coils to see it's the coil causing the misfire, but we have a misfire and a foul plug to get to those. Still doesn't address the map cooling system. So BMW in their infinite wisdom, they put, instead of just a mechanical thermostat, down here there is an electrical heating element for the thermostat to heat the thermostat up. And so then they can alter the thermostat opening by this heating element down here. These are typically open, so we're gonna do a test and just verify that that's an open circuit. That should fix the check engines on this. Just so spark plugs, coils, and a thermostat. Super common stuff.